Hey guys, my name is Casper and today I'm in Sligo. Yeah, look at this view. Let's just look over here. This view is absolutely beautiful. Look, like all the way back there, there are like mountains. Like over here, just imagine like standing on top of one of them. You're like, it's pretty much gonna be like the king of the world. And yeah, this river is actually very nice. So yeah, I'm in Sligo. This video will be uploaded on both my channel. The one with the alright lads, don't worry, it's no copyright. The one with the dope path is for my Roblox videos, and the one with me and my dog Timmy is for Minecraft and more vlogs. So yeah, they're for vlogs. The other one is for yeah. Yeah, there's an ice cream man right there. Down further, don't know if you see, but yeah. Look, this view is so beautiful. I see a car just zooming past there. I saw a car. There's like a road over. There's like a road all the way over there. Yeah, I'm in Sligo, by the way. Yeah, we're going to the Glen waterfall. And yeah. I took a few pictures. If you would like to see those pictures, you could go follow me on Twitter and Instagram. I don't have Instagram, just kind of popped it up. Yeah. Okay, bye, Carol. Bye, Carol. Bye, Carol. Bye, Carol. Yeah, it's just so beautiful out here. So yeah, I don't have Instagram. I have Twitter. Yeah, at Casper the Gamer. But if you want to find me, it's at Casper Wojtkowiak. Don't know why it was meant to be at Casper Wojtkowiak, but it's Wojtkowiak. And yeah, at KCPE or WOJTKOWIA. That's pretty much how I spell it. Yeah. Yeah, follow me if you want to. That latest video, with Mr. Grand Gamer, St. Paddy's special. Well, yeah, the Mr. Grand Gamer is actually like my real friend in real life. This is just like walking around here right now. I don't know why, but yeah, I'm just gonna quickly like pause this video, and yeah, I'll resume it when we get to the waterfall. So lads, I'm back. Look over here, lads. A little stream of water. My birds are back there, over there. And went over here since I saw the stream. Look, it's kind of strong over here. Look over there. There's like a little, under the bridge. There's like a little waterfall. I'll throw this can of Coke into the bin so I can show you guys. Look, like over here, like stones everywhere. Yeah, under the bridge. I'm not able to show you right now. Yeah, now since I have two hands free, look. Over there. It's like, I'm not sure if you saw it, but look up, I'll show you from the side. Look, over here. I think I see the waterfall from over there. Water! Wow, water. Oh my god, lads, you see the waterfall. I'm gonna wait for my parents to start taking pictures and photo bomb.
Oh, would you mind?
Okay, lads, just gonna take a picture. So lads, that lady took a picture of me and my parents. Look. That's not the waterfall. Już byłeś. Ty nie masz konta, ma konto na YouTubie, zrobił.
Nie mam.
Masz.
Kogo wrzucać? Jak chcesz sam cię nagrać, to cię nagrać. Ale nie masz prawa nikogo wrzucać.
Gdzie tu nie wrzucasz?
Wrzucam.
Nie wrzucasz.
Carl, I have the picture. Sorry for that argument, but Carl, I have the. Sure, I'm recording myself, and you're just walking into the camera. It's right there.
Robisz się.
What?
Robię ci zdjęcie.
I
Nie.
don't know what he's
Ej,
on.
Miszo! Odwróć to.
I'll be back. I am back. Yeah, my parents just want to take photos, pictures. That's it right there. The Glen. And the Glenosaurus. Glen. Dinosaurs.
Nudnie.
Yeah.
Nie chcę. Robisz zdjęcie?
Welcome to Glen Park.
Piękne foty na Facebooka. Wow.
Stop talking Polish in my videos. Jay. Look at this, boys. Look at it. But I won't get any pictures of this. Cause I won't get any pictures of this because I'm doing this for you guys. But look at it. You guys are surviving to slip me right now. That's why I especially took my phone. So just to bring you guys with me. I'm gonna take a stop on the top of the stairs. So many people follow me. Ah. Jesus Christ. I'm glad places like this still exist on Earth. Yeah. If you're in Ireland or going to Ireland, just go straight over here. Well, yeah, I have to take some pictures on to throw on Twitter and Facebook. So I'll see you guys when I see you guys. Peace.